Hello everybody, I'm Tiffany of Tiffany Outdoors. Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to take a little structure that I had to hold up a heating lamp for when I had chickens. I'm going to repurpose that little stand into a bow rack. Stay tuned. I'm going to take this stand right here and turn it into a bow rack. Okay, since this is already built, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys the measurements. The bottom part, the legs, are made from 2x8s. And these right here are 32 inches. The upright is 4 feet. And this width across is 29 inches. And of course, you know, like you saw, this is already built. I'm just going to repurpose it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hook off and this chain off. I'm going to take an inside measurement and put some 2x4s on the inside here. Give this a little bit more stability. As you can see, it's a little wobbly. Just going to give it some more stability. I'm going to use this framing square to help me make sure everything is lined up the way it should be. Make sure everything is square. Alright, so I'm going to take a 2x4, I'm going to cut it 26 inches to fill this gap. I'm going to make a couple of these, maybe 3 or 4. Okay, the next thing I want to do is figure out how far down I want to come. Let's see. Okay, so I'm going to come down 9 inches. So I'm going to mark that location on each side. Then I'm going to drill some pilot holes on the side and then screw that board in. So to begin with, I'm only going to put in 1 screw. That way I have room to adjust this thing if I need to. Okay. To get my second side even, I'm using my level here to make sure everything is nice and level. That's perfect right there. Alright, now I can put in my second screw. Check the level again. And it's perfect. Very nice. Very good. So I'm going to put 2 more on here. So my next bar, I'm going to come down 9 more inches. So I'm going to measure from top to 18 inches. Drill my pilot holes. Then put my board in. The touch on this side. Get it even with my pilot holes. And that means that side needs to come up a touch. Alright, check the level again. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to put in one screw on each side. I'm going to tell you guys where I got these bow hangers from. I found these at Kmart. They were on sale for 18 cents each. So what's a sensible person do? Buy every single one, of course. Yeah, more than I'll ever use, but I have them and I can make as many bow hangers as I like. So I brought out all my bows so I can test fit this and figure out where to put these hangers at. Well, these things are pretty thick, so I'm going to have to drill pilot holes for this. Okay, that's a little too big. I need to go with a smaller drill bit. So I'm going with a 7/32 drill bit this time. Oh yeah, that's much better. Oh yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's perfect. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of these in. So I've got my recurve bow on top and my compound bow on the second bar, and it looks like I didn't allow enough space between the second one and third one to accommodate this bow. So it's a little bit longer than I thought. So I'm going to move this board down some more, and then I can move this one down even further. But that is all, folks. This came out really good. I'm very, very happy with it. Very happy with it. I've got all 4 bows on there now. This came out better than I could have even imagined. I can also put hangers on the other side, which I just very well might do. I want to thank you for watching today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Can y'all hear that music? I hope not. I'm not sure who's playing that or what's going on. Sounds like a trumpet.